So let us see the solve the problem of SN1 reaction in the decreasing order of the reactivity. So this is the question, Cl, AB, R and S. So here you can see in this questions. So this is your primary alkene, this is a primary alkyl halide, this is also primary alkyl halide, and this is also primary, this is secondary. So rate of reaction will be here. So we can see this is your secondary. So here carbocation stability more. This is the primary carbon, but we have 3 carbon. Here we have 2 carbon with primary carbon. Here we have only 1 carbon. So order of stability will be here in this cases. First will be S, then followed by R, then followed by Q, and then followed by P. So this is the answer of this question. This will be more showing SN1 reactions. Rate of reaction will be highest, and then lowest will be your primary alkyl halide, because here carbocation will be less stable. So in these cases PQRS, so this is your primary alkyl halide. You can say this is your primary right here. This is your primary alkyl halide. This is your this is primary carbon, but we can see this is your this side your secondary carbon. Here we can see the primary carbon, but here tertiary carbon is there. This is tertiary carbon. This is pure tertiary carbon. So first will be your S, then followed by R, then followed by Q, and then followed by P. So P is having the less SN1 reaction and S having the maximum, because this is a tertiary carbon and P is a primary carbon. So region is very clear. This is tertiary carbon, this is your secondary carbon. So, okay, so this will be more than followed by this one. Now this is tertiary carbon, this is secondary carbon. This will be more than this one. So this is our answer. So in this case you can see this is the carbon, primary carbon, and this is a secondary is there. So again primary secondary carbon this side plus Cl is attached with the primary carbon, but here this is secondary carbon is somewhat far away. This is the pure primary carbon, primary alkyl halide. This is secondary alkyl halide. So this is your secondary alkyl halide, we can say. So as per the all, we can see S will be has been greatest because this is secondary. Then after S followed by P, then followed by Q, and then followed by R. So R is the pure primary carbon. This is pure tertiary carbon. So this is our rate of reaction in decreasing order. So in this we can see all are allyl. This bromine attached with the allyl carbon. Again this is allyl carbon, but allyl carbon is supported by the secondary carbon. So this is your, you can say this is your allyl. This is allyl carbon plus secondary carbon. This is secondary carbon also. This is allyl. So again allyl is supported by the this one carbon is there, but this carbon is far away from the allyl carbon, and this is your vinyl. So out of these we can say that Q will be more reactive, then followed by R, then followed by P, then followed by S. So S is vinyl. So this is less reactive and this is more reactive towards the SN1 reaction. So in this question we can see, so this is your tertiary carbon. Here you can see this carbon is benzylic clearly, and this carbon is R is your, you can say this is your strong electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing is present, and this is your secondary carbon. So order will be your, first will be your Q, then followed by P, then followed by S, then followed by R. So first is more stability of the carbocation benzylic, then tertiary carbon, then your secondary carbon, and this is electron withdrawing group. So this is our answer of this question. So you can see here, so this is your secondary carbon. In Q you can see this is your this carbon is your primary carbon. Primary carbon is followed by the cyclohexane. This is your vinylic, totally this is vinylic, and this is your, you can say S is your allyl. This is your allyl is there. So reactivity will be first Q. Why Q? Because if this will be removed, then what will happen? There will be hydride formation take place. Hydride transfer will take place, and this become tertiary carbon. So Q will be most reactive toward the SN1, then followed by Q will be your S, then followed by will be your P, then followed by R. So this is the reactivity series of SN1 reaction. Now in these questions, so we can see all are this Cl attached with the benzylic carbon in each cases. So this benzylic carbon having a I effect, one carbon is there. So there is a 1 3 alpha hydrogen here we have 2 alpha hydrogen this side, here we have 1 alpha hydrogen, and this side no alpha hydrogen. So reactivity of this will be your, first will be your Q, P, then followed by Q, then followed by R, then followed by S. So this is the reactivity of SN reaction in this question. So this is the benzylic carbon. We can say this carbon is benzylic, this carbocation will be more stable. In this cases I effect is also there, plus I effect given by this one, and plus H effect. So 2 effect is there, so this will be more stable. Here OH is present, so this is electron donating group is present over there, and this is the electron withdrawing group. So stability of carbon will be, first will be your R, because R has a plus R effect. Plus R effect is more stronger than plus H and plus I. Plus R more effect than plus H then plus I. So this will be more stabilize the carbocation. Then after that is Q, then after Q is P, then after P is S. So S is minus I and minus R. So this is the reactivity series of SN1 reaction. In these cases, this carbon is your bridgehead carbon. Bridgehead carbon. So this is totally unstable. Q is your 3 phenyl carbon here. This is your benzylic carbon, which is stabilized by 3 phenyl group. This is again benzylic carbon, but stabilized by only 1 phenyl. And this is your allyl. So allylic carbon is there. So out of this, Q will be more stable, carbocation more stable, followed by R, then followed by S, and then followed by P. So this is the stability order of the SN1 reaction, decreasing order. So this is our answers.